A reduction of 20% in the price of sugar enables a customer to obtain 2 kg more for rupees 160. Find the original price per kg. Now, let's assume the original price to be X and original quantity to be Y. Now, therefore, we can say XY is equal to 160. Now, a reduction of 20% in the price. So, therefore, due to the reduction in the price is X. So, 20% reduction, therefore, the new price becomes 0.8x. New quantity will be y plus 2. So now we can form a similar equation now. So 0.8x multiplied by y plus 2 is equal to 160. So if we simplify this, it becomes 0.8xy plus 1.6x is equal to 160. Now 0.8xy, we can write it down as 8 by 10. Now xy is 160. So we'll substitute the value of xy as 160 over here plus 1.6x is equal to 160. Okay. So if you cancel the 0, you have here 16 into 8. 16 into 8 is 128. So if we subtract 128 from 160, we get 32. So 1.6x is equal to 32. So therefore, if we solve this, x comes out as 20. Now that's what we want to find out, the original price per kg. So that will be your answer. Now another approach to this question could be by a simple concept. Okay. Now we have here price and we have here quantity. Okay. Now price has reduced by 20%, right? Price has reduced by 20%. The fraction equivalent of 20% is 1 by 5. Now, because that is 1 by 5, the corresponding increase, now price has decreased, so the quantity must have been increased. So quantity increase must be 1 upon 4. Quantity increase must be 1 upon 4. So 1/4 of the original quantity, that is y, is equal to the increase in quantity, that is 2. So we get y is equal to 8, which is the original quantity. Now from this, we can get the original price as well. Original price will be 160 upon 8, that is 20. Now, the general rule over here is that if the price gets reduced by 1 upon n, then the quantity gets increased by 1 upon n minus 1. So by solving this by this method, we get the same answer, that is 20.